crew. I'm Jordan, and my queen Alicia's on the camera, and we have Mama Margaret back there with us, and we're about to boil some shrimp.
Wait, Mama.
So, Mama went and got some shrimp yesterday, and this is the size of the shrimp that we're gonna boil, and we're gonna do it quick and simple. So we got some Zatarain's crab boil. You use it for crawfish, shrimp, crabs, whatever you want to use it for. Seafood, whatever. Chicken if you want to. I'm only working with one hand. And we have 1/3 cup measure. We're going to use 1/3 cup of Zatarain seasoning. We're going to add it to our boiling water. We're going to stir the water up a little bit. Then we're going to start putting our shrimp in.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Earlier, you had the amusu pot when Mama was boiling her crabs. What's the difference between using an amusu pot to boil crabs or steam? Why you switch pots?
Well, I switched pots because y'all wanted to boil, and I didn't want to boil them in that musu pot because mainly it's used for steaming, and it started to get like a build-up on it when you boil with all those seasons and everything else, and it's just a headache to clean. So
Okay.
we're just gonna boil these, and we're gonna let this come back to a boil. We're probably gonna let it boil for like 2-3 minutes. Then we're gonna cut it off and let it finish simmer, and let the shrimp sit inside there and get all the flavor. And if y'all can tell, they starting to turn, you know, that pinkish color already. And it don't take long to boil shrimp, y'all. Especially when you boil your water and then put the seasonings in there. It do not take long. You know, because a lot of people like to do a lot of stuff. Like we said earlier, we're not coming down on nobody. You know, sometimes just keeping it simple and sticking to what works best for you and your family is the best way to go. You don't have to do all that extra stuff to make food good. Some of the best recipes ever have came from just simple cooking. And you know, back in the days, you know, way before I was born, you know, our mamas and big mamas, they didn't use all that extra stuff.
They didn't have all that extra stuff
I know,
to
'cause
use
they didn't
either.
need it.
Right, they didn't need it.
They just kept it simple.
Some just had salt and pepper. And garlic from they what you call it? Like garlic and peppers and stuff from their garden.
Right. So we're gonna turn this off, and we're gonna let it simmer for like 3 or 4 minutes. And here go Mama's boiled blue crabs. And if you want to see this video, it's gonna be up on the Cooking with the Crew channel, also along with this video. And also Mama Margaret is gonna fry shrimp in this video too. So y'all gonna have 3 different methods. Okay guys, welcome back. The shrimp have been soaking for like 3 minutes. We boiled them. Well, we let them simmer for 2, then we let them soak for like 3. So all together 5-minute process. And this is how they look. And we're gonna take them out and we're gonna put them in the pan. And remember guys, I said I got an extra little bonus. This one method right here, just boiling them. We're gonna take a couple out while they're still kind of hot. And right here, I said I was gonna show y'all another method. Here we have a Ziploc bag with 1 stick of butter. That's hot. That was gonna cool off. We're gonna put a couple shrimp in here. That's one way. And those are the boiled shrimp. So on to over here. Like I said, here we have 1 stick of butter in a Ziploc bag. So the same thing that we use to boil the shrimp, we gonna take it again. Crab boil. But this time we got 1/4 cup. And we're gonna put it in the off in the bag with the shrimp. And 1/4 cup, about a tablespoon. And we're gonna zip this thing up. Get all the air out. And we're gonna shake them up. Like I said, guys, we're just gonna let this marinate. And when Mama Margaret finished with the fried shrimp, we'll show y'all the results of this. So, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this part of the video. We about to let Mama Margaret fry the shrimp. And like I said, there's 3 different methods. A boiling method, then like a buttery soak in the bag method, and Mama gonna fry some, and we'll bring y'all back soon.
Ready?
I've been ready.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Y'all know who I am already. I don't say who I am. Well, if somebody just first start watching this, I'm known as Mama Margaret. I'm finna fry some shrimp. I done season it. Salt, pepper, garlic, cornmeal. And I just put a little bit of that Zeta Wrap crispy thing in it. Not too. So it's seasoned all good. Thing right here. So when my grease get hot, I'm gonna dump them in there. And this is the last thing we gotta do. Fry the shrimp. I already done did the rice.
So I'm about to show y'all now.
That's a chicken creamy rice, I guess what we call it. But that's all I'm putting there because I don't want to overcrowd it. Yep, I'm ready. There we go. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little simple, quick seafood dinner we have today. Without the crabs and without the smoking. Just said we didn't want that today.
Oh, the sausage and corn.
Yeah, we didn't want that today. We just kept it simple. Then we got some banana pudding. Got some sherbet. Got some ice cream. Whichever what they want to eat. They give them some chips and dip, whatever they want. Nachos and cheese, whatever they want. Don't make no difference. You can eat some oatmeal cookies, you can eat chocolate chip cookies, you can eat whatever you want to eat.
Pinwheels, Swiss wheels.
Any other dessert you want, you're free to have it. Pick your choice.
Hold it up again. Okay.
Hey y'all, I'm back. But y'all hard-headed and y'all didn't stay there until I say I'll be right back. I hope y'all wasn't hard-headed because it didn't take long. So I'm back. So I'm showing y'all my finishing touch. This is my fried shrimps. And so we finished. So we all done. We will be getting ready to eat. I know I am. So thank y'all again for coming on, sharing our love with y'all, sharing what we say, what we do, what we don't do. So y'all be blessed. Have a very blessed and safe week. If it's raining, the Lord blessing us with showers of rain. Ain't nothing we can do about it.
No.
Just go out and enjoy the rain.
Yeah.
If you get wet, you just like taking a shower.
Yeah, just
You
dry it
just
out.
putting more blessing on you. So, peace be still.
And Jordan finna show y'all his shrimp, his third shrimp.
I don't want too much of that butter in the plate. I don't want the splash. Just a quick look at these shrimp. And all it was 1 stick of butter and 1/4 cup of Zatarain season. Okay guys, this is a finishing look of the butter shrimp with the Zatarain season. And if you haven't, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on all post notifications. And we out of here. Peace.